Do you like eggs and do you like toast? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make toad in a hole. Hi, my name is Ethan and it's time for Kitchen Adventures. So today I'm going to show you how to make toad in a hole. It's egg and toast put together. Here's what you need: bread, egg, butter, and a cup. Use a cup to make a circle in your bread. Butter both sides of your bread and the circle. Turn your heat on medium. Put the bread and circle in your pan. Now add a little bit of butter into the middle of your circle so your egg doesn't stick to the pan. Crack the egg into the hole. Now you have your toad and the hole. Do it gently so you don't break the yolk. Put a lid on your pan and cover it so that the egg can cook. After a couple minutes, take the lid off and check to see how runny the yolk is. When you think it's ready, flip it and be careful not to break the yolk. After about 10 seconds, you can take it off and ta-da! Toad in a hole! Serve it with some fruit and it's a complete breakfast meal. This is so delicious. This is a really easy recipe to cook, and if you want, you can make it for something special. Click here to see other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the QuadSquad channel. Thanks for watching my video. Bye! Yoki pokey dancing.